I hope you're fine. Today we will discuss regarding various causes of gum bleeding and a simple solution to cure gum bleeding at home. The main or local cause of gum bleeding is presence of dental plaque, tartar or dental calculus, which ultimately lead to inflammation of the gums, vasodilation of the gums and bleeding from the gums area. The second factor, which is also very important, is nutritional deficiency, specifically deficiency of vitamin C, which help in synthesis of collagen or proteins in the gingival or gum area. In addition, there are also different conditions like pregnancy, puberty, in which there are hormonal changes in our body which lead to imbalance of hormones and ultimate result in vasodilation and bleeding from the gums. So it's better first to rule out the cause of gum bleeding with consultation with your dentist. After that, each problem will be solved accordingly. Like if there is tartar or calculus, then professional teeth cleaning and polishing will be necessary. If there is hormonal imbalance, then our discussion with endocrinologist will be fruitful. And if there is deficiency of vitamin C, then intake of vitamin C with food or with synthetic source can fulfill your nutritional deficiency and solve the problem of gum bleeding. But in all cases, and even after treatment, your gums are in a spongy state or fragile, especially in condition of mouth breathing. If you are in habit of breathing from mouth, then there is chance of dryness of the gingiva and inflammation of the anterior teeth gingiva, which lead to gum bleeding. When you awake at the morning, then when you spit or brush your teeth, there will be bleeding from the gums area. The simple solution to resolve the problem of gum bleeding at home is with the help of gum paint. Gum paint is a specific or special solution easily available from the pharmacy, contain glycerin which is antiseptic and commonly used in all areas, and second thing is tannic acid which is in routine life available in the tea bags, but it's easy to get gum paint from the pharmacy. You need two things, one is cotton bud and second is gum paint, the brownish solution. How to apply the gum paint on your teeth and gums? It's better to apply on the margin of the gum and avoid its application on the teeth as it can stain the teeth area. So first of all, place the gum paint over the margin of the gums. Gums are usually in scalloped position. Gums are not flat in a wavy pattern. These are apply on the margin of the gums just like this. Upside down, upside down. Just apply on the pink area, not on the white area of teeth. Or a second option is you can put on your finger gum paint and massage the gum area after teeth brushing. Ideal time of application of gum paint is before going to the bed, after toothbrushing, apply with cotton buds or just put on your finger and massage your gums with the gum paint. Gum paint is very helpful in reducing the inflammation of your gums and also heal the wounds in the gum area and give a soothing effect. A tightness of the gums, which are previously spongy and fragile. So it's very good to give your gums a strength, a fortification with the help of gum paint. Uh, Before going to night, apply on your gums, and when you awake in the morning, your gums will be tight and the blood vessels in the gum area will be constricted. There will be vasoconstriction, which ultimately results in no bleeding from the gum area. Hopefully, this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this video regarding gum pain, gum bleeding, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.